Today, we're going to talk about what we should be thinking about as we are reading. So, we will discover how to monitor our comprehension by using metacognition. I will explain how to use metacognition to understand what I'm reading. So, here are some questions you need to write in your journal. What can I do to become a better reader? What strategies help me understand text? Also, important vocabulary words to write down. Vocabulary to keep in mind, metacognition, thinking about our thinking. Schema is our background knowledge. So when we think of metacognition is what we are thinking about when we are reading. So real reading occurs because we have text, what we're reading, plus our thinking about what we're reading. That equals real reading. So some ways to think as you're reading, you could say, I'm thinking about, I'm noticing in the text, I'm wondering, I'm seeing, and I'm feeling. So as you're reading, if you're asking yourselves or thinking about these things as you read, you are using metacognition. Schema is your prior knowledge that makes a connection to what you are reading. So schema is like a metal filing cabinet, always growing and changing, activated when we want to understand what we read. For us to connect with our text as we're reading, we have to have some form of background prior knowledge. So some things that you can think of as you're thinking about your schema in connection with your text is, this reminds me of when, I'm remembering, I can relate to. So you have to have metacognition, what you are thinking, plus schema to really make connection with what you're reading in the text. So we have a chant that we're going to practice of remembering what metacognition is. So you're going to say metacognition. What you're going to do is put your fist under your chin and pose like the thinker statue. So say metacognition and then put your fist under your chin and pose like the thinker statue. Then you're going to say, what am I thinking? Put your hand flat on your head and then lift the lid. Say, what am I thinking? Put your hand flat on your head, then lift the lid. Now, we're going to watch as Mrs. Reese shows us how to do the metacognition chant.
Here's the metacognition chant to help you remember what metacognition is. Okay, go like this. Put your hand under your chin. Put your hand on top of your head like this. And you're going to say, metacognition. What am I thinking? Okay, let's do it again. Metacognition. What am I thinking?
Okay, be ready to show in our check-in meetings the metacognition chant.